Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Weston's Wild Adventures. Today we're going to do a workout video, so let's get into some jumping jacks. 30 jumping jacks, so we'll be okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Oh, we did it, guys. My water's down there. Take it on to 20 push-ups. And 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Take a break. And then 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, we did it. Now a sip of water. Here's me when I do flex. Here's me when I don't flex. Here's me when I don't show my muscles. Here's me when I show my muscles. So now we're gonna do, I'm gonna introduce you to my new workout. It's called the mountain. So first, you do 5 push-ups. And then you do 1 squat. And then do 2 jumping jacks, like this. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Okay, that's enough of those. Now we're gonna lift some weights. Be right back. First, we're going to start off with lifting 1 8-pound weight, 1 8-pound, and then we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, that's enough of this bad boy. Are you guys tired? If you want to do the workout, then do it. Oh, by the way, I have no sponsors, by the way. If I do get one, I'll do one. Next arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's enough of this. Also, bad boy. Thanks for watching. Quick workout video. Fisherman, and stay tuned. See ya.